Hello, everybody. Today I'm talking about how can I spell my name and description of my house. And the first time, this is my ID. My name is Yunaida Perez Amin. How can I spell? JUNNAAYPEREZAMIN. My living room. There is a sofa, there is a chair, there is a window, there is a lamp, there is a end table, there is a coffee table, there are two puffs, and on the wall there is a paint. There are four chairs, there is a table, there is a flower vase, there are four plates, there are four glasses. My kitchen, there is a microwave, there is a cupboard, there is a sink, there is a rain hose, there is a kettle, there is a stove, and there is a fridge. My bedroom, there is a bed, there are two basin table, there are two lamps, there is a book, and on the wall there is a paint. My bathroom, there is a basin ray, there is a mirror, there is a toilet, there is a bathroom brush, there is a shower, and there is a shampoo. Thank you.